Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. At the 2018 Chicago Auto Show, we got to check out the brand new 2019 Ram, and we had the pleasure of speaking with Chief Engineer on the project, Rob Wichman, and he went over all of the awesome engineering features, including the air suspension, the belt generator, and some of the materials used in the frame. Very interesting conversation. Please stay tuned to watch the interview.
This has to be the first bag.
Yeah, usually we load them up.
Proper bag suspension.
Truck.
Yeah, well, we have it today.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is just like
Compared to anybody. I mean,
generations. Our competitors don't offer it. Right?
That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah. It's great feature.
Never seen anything but aftermarket.
It's got exit entry mode. So
who developed the bag? Was it Continental? Because I saw the compressors.
Conti, yeah, Conti has the bags, and also that's our Gen 2 compressor. We integrated the electronics into the module versus separate modules.
Okay.
They call it their carrier system.
Where is the actual compressor itself?
Right there. Yeah, it's on the far side.
Oh, it used to be engine driven, wasn't it?
No. It was always located very in a similar area, but we just hooked the electronics to it. The electronics, I think, used to be underneath the hood.
Is it also similar to the Grand Cherokee system?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, very similar. Actually, to tell you the truth, Conti does the module for them as well. I think different tank supplier, but yeah, bag system, four-corner air. I mean, from a ride perspective, it's fantastic. Self-leveling. It's got an aero mode above 60 miles an hour, drop 6 cents of an inch. It's cool, especially when on your remote, right? You're out there and you can just you hit it twice and it drops it 2 inches. Yeah, it's cool. Easy to get stuff in and out of your bed, of your pickup truck.
So what models is this going to be available on?
It's standard unlimited, and I think it's a 8 air suspension standard unlimited, and then it goes down, but not offered on tradesmen. Is that right?
It's offered on trade. It's offered on every model. Every model, standard.
So SLT, I mean.
Bighorn.
Yes. Okay.
Can you talk about the new electric assist on the V8?
Electric assist. Oh, you mean the the BSG?
Yes.
Yeah. Our belt start generator, 48 volt system. There's like three functions to it. So it has start stop. That's an obvious. The brains are located in here. It has an optimizer mode where it really determines how it wants to operate and whether that is charging the 48 volt battery, applying some torque.
Where's the battery?
The battery is located behind the rear seat.
Okay, so it's not shown here.
It's like a suitcase size.
Okay.
It's got 2 electric fans, 12 cell lithium-ion battery. But so in the optimizer mode, it determines whether it should be charging the battery, whether it should be providing some torque. As we go from 4-cylinder mode to 8-cylinder mode or into 4-cylinder mode, that's our fuel saver mode on the engine, so it smooths out those transition.
Okay.
And then also helps with fuel shutoff. We have fuel shutoff between all of our gears up until 3rd gear. So actually shuts off the fuel, and once again applying torque to ease into those transitions. And then it has regenerative braking, and that's why we have 2
pensioners.
Yes, thank you for because this works in pension and in
gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So that when it goes in the opposite direction just slightly, right, that's when it's charging the battery.
Does it add additional power as well?
You mentioned that, yeah. So in stop start for the Hemi, it's 130 pound-feet of torque additional.
Wow.
Now additional meaning at the start.
Okay.
It's just a 410 horsepower motor. You don't add the 130 to it.
Okay.
But it's right off that right off the bat, and it's seamless as far as the starting operation.
Is that active air?
Cool.
That's an active air dam. It deploys at 35 miles an hour. It retracts at 15 miles an hour, and it's clutched because we know truck customers run into shit. So it will clutch out of the way and then it will re-engage. Standard on all models except air suspension. We put it on here for demo, but air suspension and our rubber.
Because the air suspension lowers at highway speed?
Yeah, we have that air remote. And then in 4 low, it doesn't deploy. we're really excited about this. We took 100 pounds out of the frame, 120 out of the rolling chassis by the use of high-strength steel and advanced high-strength steels. We improved our roll stiffness by 20%. So as we redid our frame with the material, it was able for us to modify our geometry a little bit and our suctions, not by a lot, but a little. But so we changed our front suspension points slightly. We took our front roll bar, that was the best for providing the 20% roll stiffness improvement, and we flipped it 180 degrees, so it's behind our rear tire. It's also a hollow tube as well. So as we touched every part, we made sure we increased its strength and reduced its weight. Lower control arms are aluminum, which are today, and then this is a composite, which is steel, and then nylon reinforced over.
Huh.
We really needed to improve the strength of our front suspension because now we can run 22s on our 4x4s.
Wow.
We have all 4 shocks are FRD frequency response dampening shocks.
Who's doing the knuckles? Is that Okibana?
It could be. I'm not 100% sure on this one.
Did you guys look at aluminum body as well?
We when we went to the body, we took 100 pounds out of our body, and of course, you always look at the material choices, right? The trade-offs associated with that. We took 100 pounds out, 52% high-strength steel. That's up from 12 today. We do have aluminum hood, which we do today.
Yep.
And then we went aluminum tailgate.
Okay.
And that's remote opening, tailgate dampened on the way down, assisted on the way up.
It's a nice happy medium.
Yeah.
I mean, instead of, I like the blending of materials.
We went after, we didn't solely go after the body for our weight save, we went after this as well.
So any magnesium components added? It's always the hot subject.
We haven't any magnesium components to the best of my knowledge.
I was wondering, since you actually started implementing them into the Jeep Wrangler.
Yeah.
I was wondering if there's going to be structural pieces that maybe.
Nope.
Okay.
To the best of my knowledge, I have no magnesium. We do use aluminum strategically on the frame as well. Our transmission crossmember is aluminum.
Yeah.
And then where we hook up our lower control arms is aluminum, a small crossmember there as well. And then these, you know what these are? These are active tune mass modules.
For the body mounts?
And for what they, not for body, but they're bounded to the frame.
Oh.
But what they do is they take the vibration out when we go into 4-cylinder.
Oh, wow.
So our fuel saver mode on our Hemi is where we go from 8 to 4.
Matches the harmonics of the
Bingo. Yeah, they shake 180 degrees out of phase. So that takes care of the vibration.
That's interesting.
And then for the audible that you pick up on there, that's why we have ANC systems in our truck.
Oh boy, when that fails.
Yeah.
You'll know, I guess.
Yeah, you'll know.
What have they? It's a really good feature because it pushes the ability for us to drive 4-cylinder motor. And then on the BSG system, I talked about that balances that a little bit as far as those transitions out. Customer experience nothing except fuel economy. So it's good.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for your time.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, good seeing you.
All right. Thanks.
Nice to meet you, Jeff.